Wakotra parliament wa ekusu kisina. Wom es gracia. Ka wabo. Edura wakoje ehubambo. Sacrifice wakoye. And to odwe raise nuclear protection, nuclear family, and nuclear. Send that ofri ho a ne ho nkyere. Tenya woman. They have nothing thinking for you. And the whole economy of Ghana was destroyed by His Excellency, the former president of the Republic of Ghana. Ghana economy is saying now it is the cause of that Ghana series. Be very careful. Obianjin kwechire. Go and think. Kodwe ho. Nyabotre ka akoma to yam. Yebeso man Ghana ensie nyinara. Na nya nipa kakra bi only few are enjoying. But it is written, if ye be willing, ye may eat the goodness of the land. And the goodness of the land is being eaten. Only few people of Ghana are eating the goodness of the land.